Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can see your story to custom on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in a device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll until you find privacy and safety. Then tap on it. Next, you can see the option of story controls at the bottom. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of who can see your story. Below it, you can see the option of custom. Tap on it. So, then tap on save. Next, tap on save. So, this is how you can change who can see your story to custom on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.